Hey guys, Anthony here from XXX RC Garage, and didn't forget to make my Sunday video, just didn't have time to do it, and there's a reason why. If you look at my workbench, it's full of stuff. This is stuff out of my truck that I removed, and working on this one here. Got some new drag tires and stuff for the drag racer RCs. So I haven't forgotten to do my RC, just didn't have the time to do it. Everything's still here. Tools, you know, it's wrecking here because, well, the reason is because I'll show you why. Now, you in the background of my videos, you've always seen me with my truck that's got all the writing on it. Well, I had to get rid of it. I told you I was having truck issues. I told you guys that my EC quit working. It was so bloody hot all day long, being drenched with sweat. I came home, I didn't want to work in a hot garage. So here is why. There is my new 2020 Ford F-150 STX. And I'm going to tell you, even though it's still considered kind of a work truck, and I mean by Ford standards, because the XL is basically your base model like you see county trucks. That's what my old truck was. This is an XL, but what it is, it's got the sport appearance package. Now, when you say sport appearance, you think, oh, well, it just looks sporty. Yes, but some of the stuff inside is super nice. I mean, I did get carpeting, I did get cloth seats, not vinyl like I had before. Put seat covers on, I put some covers on the floorboard until I can get me some WeatherTech. But I got the Sync 3 radio, which is, at least to me, I feel like I'm in a luxury car now all of a sudden. This thing has got remote start. It's got the what everybody calls Apple radio. I mean, it's just, to me, it's like I'm driving. I mean, compared to my old truck, it's like I got out of a, and don't get me wrong, I love my old truck, but it just, I don't know, there's just a big difference. Now, yeah, it got the new car smell too. Thing, I went from 17-inch wheels to 20-inch wheels. These things are super massive. Probably going to hate myself when it comes time to buy tires. They did do a lot of changes to the 2.7 from the original one I had. This has got the 10-speed transmission. When it comes daylight, I'll give you guys a walk around. I did rain a little bit yesterday, so my beautiful white truck is not as pristine clean as it was a day ago. And the reason I didn't do any content until today, which is, this is Thursday, is because I got the truck on Monday, but I had to catch up on all my real work. I support my own habit here. Yeah, I get a little bit from YouTube, and when I say a little bit, I'm talking a little bit. I'm not like the guys from you know, the big YouTubers out there who somewhat supported by their YouTube. That's not me. But so anyway, this truck is awesome. I'll show you more. We'll throw some photos in of the transition of the say goodbye to the old truck, new truck kind of thing. So that's it. Hey guys, this is Anthony here with XXX RC Garage. The new truck behind me. I have air conditioning again. I'm so happy, and I love this truck. This truck's beautiful. Anyway, it's still gonna be my work truck, except I'm not putting all that stuff all over it. Probably something on the back window. Anyway, moving on. We're here with my son Nicholas, and he has his own RC channel too. Kind of new, but it's okay. He's getting the drag racing like I am. And there's my grandson. He doesn't have a drag car yet, so he's playing with his rock crawler over there. Anyway, we got the Splat out here, and my son's got this gray body that's actually one of my old bodies, using it because this weekend we are going to be, let me get out of the sun, we're going to be taking a 69 Nova body. We're going to be putting the Undercover RC wing and splitter on it. And anyway, moving on, we're going to go ahead and start doing some runs.
And my battery died.
Okay, guy. All right. Test run 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My son's battering up. We're batterying up. Sorry, gnats. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this is the one that I'm running right now. Is only my 6.5 turn motor. My other one with the 4.5 is in that truck still. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Something was weird right then. I must have hit something on the road. And we really do no prep here. I didn't prep this road, so there's rocks and a little junk in it. 3, 2, 1. Just so you guys know, this thing has no reverse. It's been set up for racing, and I never took the reverse off of it. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And you can hear the rocks down there hitting that splitter. Don't know how long we're going to be able to take it out here because the gnats are getting bad. Video. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Get set.
Go. You won, or it was a tie. I think that was a tie. That way.
Do it again. I can't back my car up. Dang. That stunk. I'll have to touch the paint on my splitter again.
Is that dirt?
We're too close.
Is that dirt, or is that supposed to be there?
What?
I don't know. All those orange things on the car.
That's supposed to be there.
Okay.
We're a little too close. You need to move yours way over.
This is too close.
Yes. That's good.
Is that good?
Go about right. Yeah. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, you definitely won. Your car is faster. My car stopped. Oh, no, it didn't. Does that mean it's still fuel? Let's turn it
Okay, you go on this side.
Wait a second. My wheelie bar is like crooked.
Oh, you know what? You gotta fix it. It's the bottom.
Truck out of the way. I don't want to hit you.
It's fine there.
Okay. Because I almost hit him that time.
Okay.
Is that too close?
Yeah, we're okay, I guess. Your mark.
Okay, set.
Actually, let Landon call it.
3, 2, 1, go. Yours is faster.
Okay, let's do it again.
3.
No, here we go. We gotta wait till he lines up.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. It looks like Nicholas got a head start.
I did. I let him start ahead of me.
And you still won. Or I think it was a tie. I don't know.
What I'll do is do it this way. I'm gonna start back this way. We'll take off the same time, but I'm gonna start right here. You're gonna pull up to the white line.
I bet you're still going. So it's just too fast.
Okay. Okay, Landon, go for it.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, I see you won. My car keeps, I need to burn out my tires because it keeps like going.
You gotta heat up your tires.
Oh my god. My wheel.
Oh, well. Looks like we had a breakdown at the end there. Yes, we forgot to check the lug nuts before we started playing. Do you see the nut down there? We'll be right back.
Do I pull up to the white thing?
Yes.
Boy.
Okay, we're gonna run staggered again. Ready?
On your 3.
5.
Okay, you do it.
3, 2, 1, go.
You passed me. How? Did you tighten up all my tires?
No.
This motor's faster. Dad, can you put a Dad, can you put a faster motor in mine?
Don't get in my way.
Dad, can you put a faster motor in mine?
Sooner or later.
And then it's gonna be faster than yours. I'm just kidding.
It might be the same speed when you put it in.
And what do you mean you didn't prep this road? I don't know what that
By the way, Landon.
What just happened?
You hit the bump in the road. The bump right there on the road.
I don't see that.
Okay.
Anything. Nothing happened.
Okay, guys, that's it for our play around testing tune. We're going home and we're going to start working on the 69 Nova for my son, and with the splitter and as well the wing on the back. So see you there.